Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you the transparent case for your MacBook Pro, specifically the M1 Pro, but the process will be same for other MacBooks. Why should you get the transparent case and how you can install it on your MacBook. So let's begin the video. Here I have the transparent case. So basically Apple Pro sells it separately as well. This is not the one from Apple, so it costs around $50, I think so, if you get it from the official Apple website, but I bought it from AliExpress and it costed me around $15, where you're going to get the full case for your MacBook as well as a dust protector for the keyboard of your Mac. So this is really good, as I used it in the past as well, and your keyboard is not going to get sticky if anything is spilled on it or if there is any dust. So first of all, here is the case. As you can see, it is pretty much flexible and of course it is transparent, so you can see the Apple logo on your MacBook as well as the aluminum color as well. Here is the top piece and here is the bottom one with all the vents and the feeds as well. So before you buy it, you need to know the model of your MacBook. Again, my one is the 14-inch 2021 M1 MacBook Pro. So you need to know which MacBook you have, because not all cases fit with all MacBooks. You need to know specifically the size of your MacBook, its year, if it is a Pro or an Air, and the model. The other question is that why should you buy this protective case when you're going to have your premium aluminum MacBook? Well, in the real world, not every people is going to have their MacBook bare. Basically, your MacBook is going to get scratches over time, obviously accidentally, like I just scratched the side of my MacBook when I was going out and hit the edge of the wall. So if I had this case, then that wouldn't happen. So it is aluminum and you need to protect it, because sooner or later it is going to get scratched some way. So in order to protect your MacBook, you should have some kind of protective casing like I'm going to install today. So in order to install it, it's pretty simple. First of all, you need to install the top part. I don't know if the camera can focus on it, but there is going to be some clips on one side of the top part and some clips on the edges of the top part. So what you need to do is to have the edges part on the back side of the MacBook, place it and then slide it, and make sure that you clean your MacBook first. I have already cleaned it. So you're going to slide the back and slide it in your MacBook. So it should go in something like this. It is going to require a little bit of force. Once it is in place, you're going to press it from the front and it should snap it into place. And obviously you're going to feel a little bit of force for the first time, but it should work. And if it is not placed correctly, you're going to see that these two hooks right here are not going to bite the screen. So you need to press them a little bit and you're going to hear this click sound, which means that now the cover has been secured successfully. So for the lower part, you're going to do is that first install the back side of the cover and then we're going to install the front one. So basically on the back, you're going to have these two cuts. Just make sure that they are in place, something like that. And now you're going to apply force on the lower corners and you're going to press it in. You're going to hear these click sounds, which means that the cover has been secured. So the lower part is going to require a little bit of force, not too much. So after that it should be secured. If I go and show you from the side, you can see that all the corners and the front have been secured successfully. Just concerned a little bit about this place, other than that nothing too much. And on the front you can see as well, and I can place my keyboard cover as well, which comes with it. So it should just go and sit in its place. The Touch ID place is empty because we need to use our Touch ID. And the other thing is that if you're in Europe or in America, then the keyboard layout is different. I think the American variant has this enter key and this shift one right here, but for the European the layout is a little bit different. So make sure that you see your keyboard first and then order it. And if you're ordering from AliExpress as I have, then share your keyboard picture with the seller so he knows that which variant of the MacBook you have. So yeah guys, I think this is going to be much better to have a protective case on your MacBook rather than having it bare. And let's just suppose if I get something fall on my MacBook, lighter things or something that is going to scratch, now it is not going to be a problem because I have this protective case. If this protective case gets sold, I can just remove it and get a new one, not that much expensive. So yeah guys, if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe